Hey, it's 4th of July, and we're gonna rip a quad, fly it up in the air, and then after that, we're gonna edit this video, and then probably go blow some shit up, and enjoy happy freedom, 4th of July, American Freedom Day. So, woo, let's go fly. Hey, thanks for making it this far. Shout out to all these pilots. Happy 4th of July, everyone, and all that good stuff. Hope you have some fun. Everyone stay safe, and yeah, we'll see you on the next video.
Uncle Sam, what's happened to you?
Doctor's orders, nephew. Told me I was too high-strung. Told me to loosen up. And I feel great.